Divine Collective, the soul speaks frequency. That is how we are starting out, okay? Someone here may have braces. I'm getting braces, Divine Collective. That's wild because for the past week, my daughter has been speaking about braces. I'm getting someone here has braces, okay? That is of great significance, Divine Collective. 999 is here. You are free. You've been freed from psychological captivity. 999, completion. We are getting, Divine Collective. From invisible to unforgettable. The nail in the coffin, no coming back. Someone can't come back from something that they did to you, Divine Collective. You've been freed here from psychological captivity. Heavy anxiety. Someone here is having a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of anxiety here, sudden paranoia. What they sent out is circling back, Divine Collective. Doing dark magic. Someone was doing dark magic here, but you've been freed from this. They went around saying that you were a prostitute, that you were promiscuous. Spirit says, do not defend lies. Your truth will stick on its own. Divine Collective, do not defend lies. I feel like you may be in the public eye, Divine Collective. I'm getting a high profile Spirit is saying. Going around lying on you, saying you're a prostitute. No need to defend lies, Divine Collective. That's very important because your truth will stick on its own. This is a cult member. This morning, Divine Collective, I've gotten multiple cards. Speaking of a cult, okay? A cult is of great significance. Someone here may have braces, Divine Collective. That is a part of the story. I'm getting a cult member. This could be family members. I'm picking up on family members. Someone in your family having braces. I heard... I don't know why someone's ancestors saying this, okay? I don't typically say things like this, but a brace face? What? What? I don't think I've ever heard that. I don't think I'd ever say that to someone. So someone's ancestor here is coming through kind of strong. Yeah. Someone hates all the attention that you're getting. This could be family members, Divine Collective, who are disrespectful and condescending. Keep your heart open. You are very much in your power here, Divine Collective. It's time for you to speak up. It's time for you to speak out. These are happiness haters. Spirit says, happiness haters, these family members. Someone's main focus, Divine Collective, is how they can benefit from you. I've also picked up on this this morning, an opportunist. Someone only seeing you through the eyes of opportunity. Apologies, Divine Collective. But again, you may have been married to whoever this is in a past life, Divine Collective. You may even have children with this person. And their focus has always been how they could benefit off of you. You know, maybe if they had children with you, you know, how they could benefit from you. Divine Collective, it's just this person's entire focus was what they could get from you, how much they could take, what they could drain from you, Divine Collective. So because of that, Spirit is saying their fate is non-negotiable and the court is adjourned. I'm going to leave it at that. Court is adjourned. Their fate is non-negotiable, Divine Collective. I'm getting a coven here, a cult, Divine Collective under severe judgment. Yeah, the cards just keep getting worse. I'm not going to rub it in their face. The cards just keep getting worse for these people. They're under severe judgment, Divine Collective. I'm not here to rub it in their face. Court is adjourned. Peace, love, and light.